Assemble part 4 using 10 pieces M3 times 12 screws. Assemble part 5 using 6 pieces M3 by 12 screws. Using 2 pieces M3 by 12 screws. Remove the screw located on the underside rear portion of the hotbed. Fix part 7 with a M3 star 16 screw and a M3 spring washer. Press with your fingers to ensure part 7 is elastic and can be pushed to the same height as the hotbed. Remove the 2 screws at the bottom of the front of the printer. Fix one end of part 8 with 2 pieces, M3 by 25 screws. Install the other end of part 8 on the far right side of the printer's gantry. Install part 9 on the far left side of the gantry. Remove the 2 screws on the rear side of the X-axis and use the removed screws to install part 10. Install the assembled tray directly on the printer's rear end. Press the heated bed wire into part 6. Use 4 pieces, M3 by 8 screws to fix handle. Tips: 1. The screw side equals non-printing side. 2nd, match handle's line to build plate edge. Place the build plates